Have you ever eaten a fruit that made you feel worse, not better? Maybe you were told it was healthy, but an hour later you felt bloated, gassy, or even had to rush to the bathroom. You're not imagining things, because not all fruits are gut-friendly, especially after 60. As we age, our digestive systems change. The enzymes we once had in abundance start to decrease. Stomach acid becomes weaker. Our gut lining becomes more sensitive. And some fruits that were perfectly fine in your 30s or 40s can now silently damage your digestion, leading to gas, constipation, acid reflux, or chronic discomfort. But the good news? Nature also provides powerful gut-healing fruits that soothe inflammation, feed the good bacteria, and restore balance. In today's video, I'll reveal 4 common fruits that quietly harm digestion after 60, and 4 powerful fruits that heal your gut naturally and help you feel lighter, calmer, and more in control of your health. If you've ever struggled with bloating, acid reflux, constipation, or IBS, you'll want to watch this until the very end. Your gut is your body's second brain, and it deserves better care. Let's get started. Part 1. 4 fruits that damage senior digestion. Number 1. Oranges, hidden acid bombs. Oranges are refreshing, full of vitamin C, and often seen as the gold standard of health. But for seniors, they can become a hidden digestive bomb. Why? As we age, stomach acid production declines, not increases. Adding highly acidic citrus like oranges, especially on an empty stomach, can lead to acid reflux, heartburn, and erosion of the esophagus lining. Worse yet, orange juice, even fresh squeezed, is stripped of fiber and delivers a sharp spike in sugar and acid without any buffering. The result? You may feel a burning chest, bloating, or a bitter taste hours after impact. If you're dealing with GERD, ulcers, or indigestion, skip the citrus. Number 2. Watermelon, gas and gut fermentation. Watermelon sounds harmless. It's 90% water, right? But for many seniors, watermelon causes intense gas, cramping, and bloating. Why? Because watermelon is rich in fructose, a natural sugar that becomes hard to absorb with age. When it isn't absorbed, it ferments in the colon, feeding bad bacteria, leading to gas and distension. Plus, if you already have slowed digestion or a sensitive gut, watermelon can worsen the symptoms of IBS or SIBO. It's refreshing, but it may be silently inflaming your gut. Number 3. Dried fruits, constipation in disguise. Dried fruits like raisins, dates, and apricots seem like healthy snacks, but they can wreak havoc on older digestive systems. Here's why. They're concentrated sugar bombs. They lack hydration, and they often contain sulfites, a preservative known to irritate the gut lining. Without enough water, dried fruits can harden in the colon, making constipation worse. For many seniors, this leads to hard stools, painful bowel movements, and even hemorrhoids. If you eat dried fruits, always pair them with plenty of water, or better yet, switch to the fresh version. Number 4. Apples raw, surprising gas trigger. Surprised to see apples here? While apples are incredibly nutritious, raw apples, especially the skins, can cause problems in older guts. They contain sorbitol, a sugar alcohol that ferments in the colon, and their insoluble fiber can be difficult to break down when digestive enzymes are low. The result? Bloating, cramps, gassy discomfort, especially in the evening. For seniors with IBS, switching from raw apples to stewed apples, softened with cinnamon, makes a world of difference. Now, let's shift gears, because nature didn't just give us problem fruits, it also gave us solutions.
Here are 4 fruits that can actually support digestion, reduce inflammation, and help you feel lighter, calmer, and more comfortable. Number 1. Papaya, the gentle digestive enzyme hero. Papaya is a tropical miracle for senior digestion. It contains papain, a natural enzyme that helps break down protein, easing the burden on your stomach and pancreas. Papaya reduces bloating, eases indigestion, soothes inflammation. It's especially helpful for seniors with sluggish digestion or those who feel heavy after eating. Bonus, it's rich in vitamin C and antioxidants without the harsh acidity of citrus.
Number 2. Kiwi, nature's constipation cure. Kiwi may be small, but it's a fiber powerhouse. One kiwi has more fiber than an entire bowl of bran flakes, but in a gentler, more digestible form. It also contains an enzyme called actinidiin, which supports better protein digestion. In clinical trials, 2 kiwis a day improved regularity in seniors with chronic constipation. Soft, tangy, easy to chew, kiwi may be the most overlooked gut healer in your kitchen.
Number 3. Stewed blueberries, anti-inflammatory gut guardian. Blueberries are rich in polyphenols and antioxidants, especially when gently stewed. Unlike raw fruit, stewed blueberries are easier to digest, gentler on the gut lining, and less likely to ferment or cause gas. They help reduce inflammation in the digestive tract, which is crucial for seniors with conditions like colitis or diverticulitis. Warm them slightly with cinnamon, and you have a gut-friendly, brain-protective superfood.
Number 4. Ripe bananas are gut lining repair tool. Ripe bananas, not green ones, are incredibly healing for the gut. They contain resistant starch that feeds beneficial bacteria, mucilage that soothes the stomach lining, and potassium to support smooth muscle function in the intestines. Bananas help with acid reflux, diarrhea, and inflammation, especially when you've had an upset stomach. Tip: wait until they're fully ripe with brown spots. That's when they're easiest to digest.
So, what have we learned today? After 60, your digestion deserves more care, not less. And that means questioning even the healthy foods you once trusted. Here's a quick recap. Avoid or limit oranges, watermelon, dried fruits, raw apples. Embrace papaya, kiwi, stewed blueberries, ripe bananas. These gentle fruits support digestion, restore gut balance, and help you feel more comfortable in your body. Because at this stage in life, every meal should leave you feeling nourished, not bloated. If you found this helpful, type gut health in the comments below. And tell me, which of these fruits will you add or remove from your plate this week? Like this video, subscribe for more natural health tips for seniors, and share this with someone you care about, because feeling good after 60 is possible. Until next time, stay kind to your body, and remember, healing starts in your gut.